Hello guys and welcome back to Eboh Media. Mabel here. In today's video, our very own Asha is going to be taking us to Lagos, Nigeria. He's going to be showing us the train that just got launched. He's going to take us on a ride, show us how to purchase the ticket, how to get on the train, and the beautiful view of Lagos from the train with so much more information. So I'm very happy to have you here. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Before we begin, I want to also thank every single one of you that have been staying true to the vision, that have supported Eboh even in death. Thank you. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for watching. On our end, we're trying as much as we can to put out more content. If there's something you want to see, you have like a video request, there are places you want to see, please drop your request in the comments and we'll be glad to bring it to you. All right, let's get to Asha now.
Hi guys, welcome back to Eboh Media's channel. It's your favorite boy Asha. So on this episode, I'm gonna take you guys on a tour of the Lagos Blue Rail line. This project has been in the works for the past 40 years. It was conceived, the idea was conceived by late Latif Jakande of the blessed memory, the first civilian governor of Lagos State. So he was termed one of the best governors ever in Lagos State. His prowess for education, for development and all. So this project, had it been, it was followed through by the successive administrations, it would have eased the traffic nightmare being experienced by about 22 million Lagosians every day. Look at the Eco-Atlantic project. It's taking a lot of years now, and that is one of the projects, when completed, will actually make Lagos a metropolitan city that it is. It will have to compare with the likes of Johannesburg, Cairo in Egypt, let's say, okay, let's not go to London, but this is what makes a city a mega city, a project like this. So guys, come on, let's take a tour of this beautiful masterpiece, this beautiful infrastructure, the Lagos Blue Rail line, built for 22 million Lagosians.
This is a maiden trip and it has to go smoothly. I have my card and I'm hoping that everybody has.
The breaking of the day, I thank my maker, say I see today. The clouds.
My experience on the train, this is a welcome development, for Lagos. It was really, it was fast. To get to our destination pretty okay. With this new innovation, I believe that traffic management will be way better in Lagos. Overall experience, it's an amazing innovation, and I look forward to more innovations like this in Lagos. Thank you.
From the fury of yesterday to fade.
The experience was very electrifying, very interesting. The students we brought really enjoyed the experience. We are from Lagos Resident Registration Agency. Our card, like ID card, could also be used to board the train.
My experience was very smooth. The landing was very subtle. I really enjoyed it. I understand that it's a fully energized train. Okay, so the speed and the travel time will be really reduced.
Excited. It was her first trip on the train today, and we came from Eboh to Marina, and it was very smooth.
Was it seamless?
It was seamless.
This project is actually a partnership between the private sector and the government of Lagos State. So one of the partners is the Cowrie. So the Cowrie is a technology IT-based company. So they actually power the Blue Rail line. So there is a card, the Cowrie card. So this card is a card you can use it to access most of the Lagos mass transit, like the BRTs, like the buses, like the train, and I think the maritime also, that is the waterways board. So the Cowrie card, you can actually download the Cowrie app on your phone. Then you can top up your Cowrie card through your bank app, or you can actually top over the counter at the train station, at the BRT station, or you can get any vendor to top up the card for you.
As quickly as possible. Okay, now we are just dealing with the theoretical way of driving. Welcome. But in practical terms,
welcome. So when you get to the train station, you have to tap your card on the board, and it gives you access, and it deducts the amount of 375 naira. So actually Lagos State subsidized the train services. So for now, each station, there are about 5 stations: the Marina station, the National Theatre, the Igamu station, the Alaba station, and you have the Maitu station. So anywhere you are stopping, any of these stations, you just have to pay 375 naira. Ticketing office, let me top up my Cowrie card, and let's see how it goes. So guys, I'm gonna top up my card with the amount of 1,000. So I'm submitting my card for top up. 1,000. Here's my name. As you can see, the security is fully kitted, as it's obtainable around the world. As you can see, you see the body cam. You see how kitted he is, clean from head to toe. So sir, you are assigned to work in the train station, right?
Yes sir.
So how has the job been? How long have you been here?
It has been hectic, but we thank God that by His grace we have been able to manage the public.
Okay, so far any issues security wise?
Not at all for now.
Okay.
Not at all for now.
Okay, so your body cam, is it linked to the central server? How does you guys
My
manage
body
it?
camera, I use it most when there is
An incident? Okay.
to make sure that the victim might be signal that you can be able to feature him out.
Okay.
So that there will not be anything like, say, maybe probably you are lying against one person or the other. So the camera itself must have shown the truth of what that person has done. That
Okay.
this is the person that did so thing.
Okay. All right. Thank you, sir. I'm Asha from Eboh Media.
All right. My name
we
is
are trying to promote Nigeria and Lagos State to the world.
Yeah.
What's your name again?
My name is Benson.
Benson.
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Benson. Thank you for speaking to Eboh Media.
God bless you.
All right. So it's actually fitted in with state-of-the-art infrastructure that you can see anywhere, any part of the world. Okay, as you can see, this is the access elevator, but it's still yet not up. The fire hose. So we are actually coming up to the boarding area. The train has 4 coaches. I see the security with body cam as well. So actually the best part of the ride is that you can be able to overlook the whole of the Lagos Island metropolis. That is the commercial heart of Lagos Island. So you can see the top-rise buildings, the multinationals, the multi-corporations, from insurance companies, the banks, to all other sectors. So that is the beauty when you ride in this monorail.
By this time, okay, yes. We don't go.
the views, I just have to give it to it. The view is exceptional. Like, you have to overlook the Third Mainland Bridge, the massive Atlantic Ocean. You know, you got to see a lot, you know, when you ride in this train. You know, over there you can see, you see the ship docks, everything, you know, the sunset. So it's actually a good thing, you know, because the train services are okay, the staffs are okay, the services are fine, the views are spectacular. Just look at that view, you know, look, the sun setting on the sea. It's something incredible. It's just so beautiful. So we are getting to our final bus stop, which is my trip. So I'll be alighting from here. So actually the crowd that you see is just the same crowd you see. It's what is obtainable all over the world. Any train station, any monorail, any busy train station. So the crowd you see here is what is obtainable just every other place.